Hello, welcome back. Do you know the sound of this letter? Now gently rest your top teeth on your bottom lip. Let the air flow between your teeth and lip. You should feel the air coming out of your mouth. Can we say it again? Let's practice some suku kata with this sound. Fa, fi, fu, fi, fu, fa, fu, fa, fi. Okay, now let's look at some words. Can you read this word? We say faham, faham. Faham means understand. For example, in a lesson, the teacher asked, "Do you understand?" Awak faham? And you said, "I understand, teacher." Saya faham, cikgu. Try this word. Fikir. Fikir. Fikir means to think. For example, before answering a question, the teacher says, "Think first." Fikir dulu. Fikir. Try this word. We have futsal. Futsal. It is a football game played indoors on a small court. I like to play futsal. Saya suka main futsal. We see maaf. Maaf. Maaf means we ask for forgiveness when we do something wrong. For example, you say, "I'm sorry. Maafkan saya." Forgive me. Yeah? Maafkan saya. How do we write this letter? We start at the top. Make a curve, a small one, to the left. And then a straight line down to the bottom. In the middle, make a straight line across to the right. Can you remember where to put the curve? To help you, I'm putting a candy cane here, this way. Can you see where the curve is? Now, how do you write the capital letter? We start at the top. Draw a straight line down to the bottom. And then go back to the top and draw a small line across to the right. Now in the middle, draw another small line to the right. Okay, keep practicing until you get both the letters correct. Okay, that's all we have for now. Bye bye. I'll see you again.